This is MrBeast's room. And today we're diving deep into every corner to figure out what makes it such a productive workspace. We'll also see if there's room for improvement.
The fridge blocks the TV.
Then we redesigned the space to make it more functional and comfortable, turning it into a place that feels more like home. Plus, we'll break down the costs involved, comparing the original setup to our new version. Although MrBeast has shared the overall cost of his mega studio, we'll be focusing specifically on his personal room. About a year ago, Mr. Who's the Boss did a YouTube video tour of MrBeast's room. In this tour, MrBeast showed him where he sleep, eat, exercise, and work. We're going to use this as a reference to assess and enhance the space. Stay tuned as we take you through the design process taken from the initial analysis to the final remodel, and the cost details are revealed. Let's see how MrBeast's room can be transformed into an even better space for productivity and comfort. Now, MrBeast mentioned that there are some parts of his room he doesn't like. Let's check them out.
The worst part of my tiny apartment is the fridge blocks the TV.
This is an enormous fridge.
But it's above the couch, so I don't use it.
Oh, that does seem bad. He has a TV above his fridge and another one above his couch. That setup just feels really off.
I'm running out of room.
MrBeast mentioned that he has this morning circuit.
I get out of bed, I walk over here, work out, and then I walk over here, I shower, and I walk over here, I change, and then I walk over here and I eat. It's like a little morning circuit, and then I walk out there and I work.
For us, it's clear that his room definitely needs a makeover. What if we gave his room a complete makeover? Imagine transforming it into a space where he can relax and feel energized to start his day anew. We could rearrange the furniture, add better lighting, and create designated areas for sleeping, working, and exercising. To do this, we analyzed his room along with the estimated cost of the furniture. MrBeast's room has a mix of different spaces. His bed, which could be worth anywhere from $2,000 to $3,000, is positioned in the corner, right next to his working area and workout space. This setup feels heavy and cramped. The lack of clear boundaries between different functional areas makes the space feel disorganized. At the foot of the bed, there's a microwave next to the refrigerator, with a TV above it. This setup can make it difficult to relax properly, as the presence of multiple screens and kitchen appliances can be very distracting. Next is the L-shaped sofa with another TV above it. This TV, which could cost around $5,000, feels out of place and makes the room feel chaotic and uninviting. On the other side, you'll find the toilet with a heated seat that could cost around $2,000. And right next to it is the closet. Also, his room is quite dim because he uses blackout curtains that prevent natural light from coming in. The current layout does not optimize the available space, leading to a sense of overcrowding. This inefficient use of space can negatively impact productivity, as it's hard to maintain an organized and efficient workflow in such an environment. But don't worry, we got it. We'll give his room a makeover. Let's start with the color palette. Since we're going for a modern minimalist design, we'll choose neutral colors to create a calm and stylish look. Next, let's change the curtains. We'll replace them with a combination of sheer curtains and blackout curtains. This way, he can control the amount of natural light coming in, allowing the room to be bright during the day while still having the option to block out light when needed. Next, let's talk about the furniture layout. But first, let's remove his current equipment set and the other furniture so we can opt for hardwood flooring, a popular choice for many homeowners due to its durability, aesthetic appeal, and the value it adds to your space. The bed will stay in the corner to save space, but we'll reposition it slightly. We're going to put an accent wall above it to make it a focal point in your sleeping area. Then we'll add a nightstand beside it and some decor. Now let's add our lighting decor, one by one. Alongside it, we'll add a built-in L-shaped table. This table will serve as both a workspace and an eating area, making the most of the available space. Beside this, we'll install a built-in cabinet to house the refrigerator, microwave, and other kitchen amenities. This will keep the area clean and organized. This type of built-in cabinet typically ranges from $1,000 to $2,500. For the entertainment area, we'll create a cozy and functional space. We'll install a built-in TV wall for a perfect spot for his enormous screen. In front of it, we'll place the L-shaped sofa to provide a comfortable viewing experience, and the sophisticated coffee table and decorations that will complete the touch of our living area. For the toilet and dressing closet, we'll combine them to make the space more efficient. We'll add a door between the toilet and the closet, turning it into a walk-in closet. This way, he can directly enter the dressing closet instead of stepping out into the main area to access the closet. We'll also designate a storage area for his workout equipment, keeping it separate from other functional areas. This will help maintain a clear and organized layout, enhancing both productivity and relaxation. The center of the room can be used as the workout space. This design change creates a more practical, private, and efficient living space, enhancing both convenience and the overall look of the apartment. The transformation of this room shows the importance of strategic interior design for boosting productivity. By creating separate zones, improving movement flow, and considering natural light and storage, the new layout addresses the previous design's flaws. This thoughtful approach ensures that each activity has its own space, leading to better focus, efficiency, and overall well-being.